Good morning mga ka-happy, I'm Sandy and welcome to your new home. This brand new duplex is located at the south side of the metro, particularly in Better Living subdivision. Each unit has a lot area of 137 square meters and a floor area of 253.27 square meters to be exact. 2-car garage to. Ang ganda! Pasok tayo. Tada! Living room, spacious. Dining area, spacious. Your kitchen, it has your own range and your range room. And this is an elderly-friendly home. And this is your toilet and bath. This is going to the outside area for your laundry needs, your dirty area, dirty kitchen area. And here, we have our maid's quarter with her own toilet and bath. So taas, we have 3 bedrooms. 1 master's bedroom with a very, very nice comfort room and toilet. This door opens to the master's bedroom. You have your own comfort room, you have your own toilet and bath. Let's go to the other room. We can call this the roof deck. These 2 rooms share a common CR. Naghahanap ba kayo ng bahay? Dito sa Happy Properties, marami kami niyan. Pre-owned, brand new, you name it. Lahat yan pwede namin i-cater sa inyo. We can also help you through bank loans and whatever it is that you can. Pwede natin yan pag-usapan. Hanapin niyo po kami sa happyproperties.com, FB page Happy Properties. I'm Sandy, your Happy Properties Sales Director. We can help you conquer your happiness through Happy Properties.